All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a pretty cool car. It's a Factory 5 GTM that's all tricked out. So you might not be able to hear some of this because it's kind of loud, so I'll keep my talking to a minimum till the rest of the video, but here we go. Car. Woohoo! You can tell this thing just wants to go. It's the LS3 factory. They're a little over 500 horsepower, but this one's got twin turbos on it, so we've got about 700 horsepower. Got a Porsche G50 5-speed transmission. Pretty amazing car. Can't get out of third gear. All right, we'll go up here and take some pictures and then you can hear me talk. All right, check out this sick 2020 Factory 5 GTM. These are pretty cool. Not a lot of people know what these are, but you know, Factory 5 is the company that makes the Cobra replicas. They make 32 Ford replicas, but they make this car. Kind of looks like a Ford GT with maybe a little stretched, a little lower. But they have a pretty much Corvette suspension. This one has Z06, updated Z06 brakes. It's got the LS3, 500 some odd horsepower stock, but it's got twin turbo, so it's about 700. The car weighs about 2,400 pounds. Super light. Fiberglass. It's got the tilt front end. You see the motor through the rear glass there. I have a vented glass that also comes with it. I also have some new headlight covers because those they get a little stress cracked and that sort of thing. Here's your twin turbos. But really cool to be able to look at that motor. It's got a lot of carbon fiber throughout the car, including these super expensive Litespeed carbon wheels. These are $5 grand a piece. Without tires. These are brand new Michelins, super sticky tires. These wheels have never been driven on the car. We just put them on. It comes with another set of black wheels if you're interested. Show you the interior. Pretty cool race-inspired interior, real low bucket seats, carbon fiber inner door panels, carbon fiber steering wheel, Alcantara headliner. It's got the Holley instrument panel there, tells you what's going on, all, you know, fuel gauge and temp gauge and RPMs. Of course, there's the 5-speed G50 transmission. It's got power windows. Also has a mirror that's front and rear cameras. Got the carbon along the bottom there too. And it also has lifts. A lot of the Ferraris and the modern Porsches have lifts, so when you go up a driveway, you hit the lift sit, it's an air lift, and it raises the front of the car up so you don't scrape and drag it and ruin it. This car is a kick in the pants to drive, super fast, could be scary, gotta know what you're doing, keep your foot out of it. But the best thing about it, it's got an SB100 rating in California, which means a smog exempt special construction vehicle. So you can do whatever you want, as much horsepower as you want. It runs clean anyway, you're not hurting the environment. Run a little race fuel in it. Really cool car. Here's the power plant in the GTM. It's a 6.2 liter LS3, little over 500 horsepower stock, but this one's got twin turbos, as you can see down here. Pushing it up to about 700 horsepower, and it has a only 6 pounds of boost. So you could pump this thing up easily to 1,000 horsepower, but a little bit of tuning without changing anything in the motor. It's got a dual fuel system for that in case you want to add that extra power and race it or whatever. But right now it's just like a reliable LS3 that you can go cruise. Pretty cool car. Also, kind of unique, it's got the G50 Porsche transmission, 5-speed transmission, so it's heavy duty. It's designed and rebuilt to handle the LS3 horsepower. Actually, even if you decide to add more, it's built for that too. We have all the receipts for this car. Listen to that thing, man. That's pretty serious, man. Well, if you want to come out to California Cars and see this thing in person, come out to see us at 2150 Union Place, City of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person. Thanks for watching.